Hello class, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, my name is Zeus Dresser Clyde Bugarin. You may call me Mr. Bugarin or Sir Zeus. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, before we start our topic for today, may I call on Mr. Ramos to lead us in a prayer.
Amen.
Amen. Okay class, Mr. Abirin, may you check the attendance if anyone is absent for today.
Sir, no one is absent today, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Abirin. Okay, class, this is my classroom rules. Number 1, if you want to recite, just raise your hand. Second, listen to the teacher while discussing. Makinig kayong lahat sa akin.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
And last is respect everyone in the class. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, let's have a recap. Okay, Mr. Ramos,
Yes, sir.
can you tell us our topic in our last meeting?
Sir, in our last meeting, our topic is all about Philippine folk dances.
Okay, thank you. Okay, class, I will show you 3 types of dances and identify it, what type of dance is it. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir. Sir, ba't walang sound?
Sorry class, wala akong sound kasi yan yung...
Sir, ako, sir. Sir, ako.
Yes, Miss Madaya.
Sir, folk dance.
That's correct. Okay, let's proceed to the next video.
Wow, ganda. Sir,
Yes,
alam ko yan.
yes,
Sir.
Mr. Dunay.
Sir, ballet dance.
That's right. Thank you. Okay, let's proceed to the last video class.
Ay, sir. Sir, ano ko yan?
Yes, Mr. Ramos.
Sir, I think it's contemporary dance.
Correct. Thank you, Mr. Ramos. Okay, class, settle down. Now let's proceed in our main topic for today, which is Galaw Pilipinas. Have you ever experienced being a dance leader when you're in elementary?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir. No, sir. No.
Okay, class, before we start to perform the dance exercise, please put all the chairs to the side and we have the space to use. Guys, pwede ganun yung ano.
Yes,
Yung-
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige. Galaw Pilipinas, this activity will aims to promote an active lifestyle for Filipinos, especially on the students will benefit both their physical and social-emotional well-being, improve strength, flexibility, cardiovascular endurance, coordination and balance, also to enhance cultural awareness by integrating Philippine cultures in the calisthenics exercise and include nationalism, unity, and discipline. Did you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, class, I will show you this the Galaw Pilipinas logo. Can anyone give me their opinion or sayings about the logo? Anyone? Yes, Miss Madayag?
Sir, ano po, parang yung mga colors na meron din sa flag ng Philippines.
Mhm.
Tapos yung may araw-araw siya, may apoy.
Tama. Okay.
Tapos may sumasayaw sa gitna ng apoy.
Sino pa?
Sir,
Yes, Mr. Ramos.
sir, yun nga, yung nasa yung figure sa gitna, sabi nga, Galaw Pilipinas. So, yun, parang sumasayaw sila. Tama, sir.
Tama. Meron pa? Okay, wala na. Okay. Galaw Pilipinas. This logo is designed to help identify Galaw Pilipinas as the national calisthenics exercise. The torch and flame symbolize quality of education with the learners at the center developing both their physical and social-emotional well-being. The four rays represent the department's core values: makadiyos, makatao, makakalikasan, and makabansa. Lastly, the Baybayin, as one of the ancient indigenous scripts, reflects the appreciation of the rich Philippine culture, thereby symbolizing the inculcation of nationalism among Filipino learners. Okay, class, naintindihan niyo ba?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Ganun pala yung meaning na.
Ayun pala yun.
Okay, class, anyone have a question?
None, sir.
Sir,
Okay. Okay, class, stand up. Let's have a warm up before we start our activity.
O, tayo daw guys. Tayo.
Guys, everyone, tayo.
Sir, dito yan. Dito yan.
Okay, let's have a head to toe warm up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, class, settle down. Okay, class, I will show you the video of Galaw Pilipinas and we will practice it step by step. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, si Kagi Suro.
Salso mo nga. Hindi nga
Pero
makaka.
maalala ko yung kapatid ko nag-perform na ng ganyan.
Saan dapat galingan mo ah?
Sir, lalaigang.
Bakit?
Ito.
Okay, class, this is the video of Galaw Pilipinas. Sundan na lang natin lahat, guys, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Nicole. 3, 4, 5.
Uy guys, with energy naman
Uy, galaw guys.
Okay, sundan natin, guys.
Yes,
Ah.
sir. 2, 3,
Sir, si Tito hindi sumasayaw.
Ay, sa ilalim naman. Forward. Ay,
Push!
sorry, push. Side.
Suba at
Ay,
suba.
sorry.
Side. 2, 3, 4,
Uy, pantil sayaw daw.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Ay, Jessica, mali.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lundaga.
Lundagan.
Ay, tatalon yan. Tatalon.
Ay, hindi.
Sabi ko na eh, tatalon.
Na, perfect.
Lalatik.
Ay, tinitin.
Pwede na yun. Okay, class, very good. Settle down and let's have a rest. Let's have a water break in 5 minutes.
Makanog, sir.
Okay, class, nakapag-rest na kayo?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will group you into 2 groups and perform the dance exercise Galaw Pilipinas that we practice. Minimum of 3 minutes and maximum of 5 minutes. I will let you practice in 10 minutes and after that, I will check your performance and I will grade it.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
If you
sir.
forgot some parts, sa video, please, I will send the link na lang sa messenger at doon nyo na lang panoorin at mag-practice, okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oy, dito ka Pia ah. Kagrupo namin si Pia.
Okay. Kaya namin walang kamo.
Ito pala guys yung criteria ng inyong video presentation.
Time
Okay,
limit
sir.
na ito.
Sir, pakisend sa GC ah.
Sir, pwede
Okay,
ba
sige.
yan sa GC?
Okay, sige, send ko na lang guys.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay class, tapos na ang 10 minutes ninyo. Oras na para i-perform ang inyong mga na-practice na sayaw.
Okay, sir.
Okay class, settle down. I will ask some question. If you want to answer, just raise your hand. I will give some points to those who will give me the correct answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first question. What is the name of the dance exercise that you practice and perform?
Sir, sir.
Yes, Miss Madayag.
Sir, Galaw, Pilipinas.
Okay, correct. Second, in the logo that I showed you, what does the four rays represent?
Wait guys, ano daw?
Sir,
Yes, Mr. Ramos.
sir, yung torch, sinisimbolize nga is quality education.
No, the question is, what do the four rays represent?
Sir, siya! Sir, siya! Sir,
Yes,
siya!
Miss Madayag.
Sir, the four rays represents the department's core values, maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa.
Correct,
No.
Miss Madayag.
Kat mga dira.
Okay lang yun, sir.
Okay,
Oy, kat mo yun.
in the last question, what are the benefits that we get in dancing, just like the calisthenics that you've practiced lately?
Sir, bawi.
Yes, Mr.
Sir,
Ramos.
it improves our healthy and well-being.
Okay, tama naman. Sino pa?
Sir,
Yes, Miss Madayag.
sir, yung dancing, doon din natin ma-express yung mga feelings and emotions through dancing. Ganun, sir.
Thank you. Sino pa? Yes,
So in
Miss.
addition to that, sa affective, ang dancing is nakaka-enhance po sa social factor natin as an individual.
Thank you, Miss Sophia. Class, any question about our topic for today?
Sir, sir.
Okay, let's proceed on our next activity. Or kung hindi man magawa ngayong class, pwede nyong i-perform next meeting, okay?
Yes,
Ah, napakabait naman.
Sir, time na po.
Group your class into 4 groups and make a calisthenics exercise that you can teach in an elementary school. Perform it in Thursday next week kung hindi kaya ngayon. So I will give my time next meeting for the continuation of your practice. Minimum of 4 minutes and maximum of 5 minutes. Nandito na din guys yung criteria natin.
Sir,
Okay.
question.
Yes.
Kami po ba ang mag-grupo sa mga sarili namin or ikaw lang?
Sir,
Kaya,
choose na lang. Sir, no.
No, sir, dapat ikaw. Para
Sir,
fair.
okay, counties na lang tayo guys, okay?
Okay,
1, 2, 3,
sir.
4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Group 1,
1, 2. Okay class, for your assignment, research and read the contemporary dances and in Asian countries. Print it in short bond paper, 1 each margin in all sides. And 12 point Times New Roman ang font niya. Nakuha niyo ba guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Goodbye,
Bye, sir.
Everyone.
Thank you.